Always remember to do your own research and due diligence. It is important to invest in something that we understand and only invest what you can afford to lose since lahat ng investment may risks. So kung gusto mo lang naman sumabay, it is your own discretion.
So next naman pag-usapan natin yung insurance mechanism, di ba? Kasi syempre, di naman kasi perfect eh. Walang perfect strategy na palaging panalo. There will always be loss, there will always be a risk. Okay, so paano gumagana? Paano nakakatulong sa atin itong insurance? And ito nga, makikita siya sa FAQs. So, basahin natin. Cubit has a robust insurance mechanism in place where 0.1 to 0.5 of the amount of each investment made by user goes into an insurance fund pool. So, kung mapapansin nyo pag nag-trade kayo, may bawas. No? Siguro kung di nyo pa napansin, try nyo mag-trade ng $100. Pag tingin nyo, mababawasan siya, maging 99 point something or 99.4 siya kung 24 hours yung cube na ginamit mo. So, yung maliit na yan, napupunta sa insurance. So, mamaya explain ko paano gumagana insurance, basahin muna natin to. When a client's investment drawdown rate triggers the system's forced liquidation, the system will execute the liquidation and compensate from the insurance fund pool. So, kapag alam mo yun, nagka-drawdown, kasi di ba yung investment or yung trading strategy, nagka-drawdown, bumagsak siya. So, automatic magli-liquidate sa system and then makakompensate yung loss na capital, dun siya manggagaling sa insurance fund pool. So, this insurance mechanism aims to provide a safer and more reliable trading environment for users, effectively avoiding potential risks. So, kumbaga, safer and more reliable yung trading environment for the users. So, the platform offers various service options for customers of different levels, including standard server, high-speed servers, and servers for large clients. So, ayan, may mga server. Kaya kung mapapansin na makikita niya, after inviting valid customer to activate their accounts, you will receive 10 Rubik's Cube coins as a reward. So, meron palang Rubik's Cube coins as reward kapag may invite kayo, valid customer na nag-activate ng account nila. So, accumulating 300 Rubik's Cube grants you a high access to high speed. Servers are more efficient. For example, trading that takes 24 hours could potentially just completed in just 23 hours using high speed server. The platform allocates servers according to the different levels of customers to meet various trading needs and requirements. So, yung servers na tinutukoy niya, dito siya makikita kapag gumamit ka ng halimbawa, itong Cube 24 hours, may kita mo yung mga server. So, ako, since na-upgrade ko na server ko up to 60 minutes, so nababawasan ng 60 minutes yung pag-trade. So, kung 24 hours yun, magiging 23 hours na lang. Tapos, yung pag-upgrade ng server, so, ayan, makikita nyo, kung nakikita nyo itong server, so, dyan mag-upgrade. So, dito, I need 5,000 para mag-upgrade ko sa last, yung FES 3.0, in which mababawasan 90 minutes na yung magiging total trades ko. So, you need Rubik's Cube coins, and makukuha mo siya sa pagmamine. Or sa, ayun nga, pag may na-invite ka na active user, madadagdagan to ng 10 Rubik's Cube coins as a reward. So, ayun yung itsura niya. So, may isang trade, yung isang kasama natin, negative 131 USD. So, ayan, para mag-notify siya, you need to copy this and then i-chat mo sa chat support so that mabalik nila yung capital na nawala sa'yo. So, para sa mga hindi nakaintindi, explain ko siguro ng simple kung ano ba yung insurance. Insurance, basically, kunwari life insurance, nagbabayad ka ng small amount on a regular basis called premium or on a monthly basis, semi-annually, quarterly, or yearly in exchange sa malaking amount na kapag nangyari yung certain conditions. Halimbawa nga, life insurance kapag namatay, yung beneficiary makakuha ng pera, health insurance kapag nagkasakit, may makukuha ka malaking pera sa insurance company, pampagamot, car insurance, sabi natin mabangga, alam mo yun, pwede kang bumili ng bagong sasakyan o ma-repair. So, yung insurance company yung magka-cover na. In exchange, nang magbabayad ka ng small amount. So, ganun din. Sa kaya mapapansin nyo, pag nag-trade tayo, nababawasan ng konti o ilang percentage ng capital natin. So, that, alam mo yun, maprotektahan tayo sa mga risk na meron to. So, ayun lang guys, panoorin nyo pa yung mga susunod na video or course na meron tayo so that maintindihan nyo ito lahat and finally, kumbaga nag-i-invest kayo on something na naiintindihan ninyo. So, kita sa ibang mga video pa natin.